If you want to create a folder in home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, what you can do is you can, for example, press and hold your finger on the first app that you want to add into a folder, just like that. And then you can start dragging it and drop it on top of another app. And if you place one app into another one, they will be put together in a single folder. Over here we can of course set up the name for the folder, we can change the color, and so on and so forth. There we go. And besides that, what you can also do, let me actually just remove this one. What you can also do is you can do exactly the same thing as before, so press and hold your finger, but instead of moving the app around, you want to use the select option in here. Once you select the first app, you can select more apps just by tapping on them, and then in the upper right corner we have the create folder option. So all of these selected apps will be placed in a single folder just like that. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.